How to cash out stocks on Cash App. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to cash out stocks on Cash App. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Cashing out stocks on Cash App is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. First, open Cash App. Launch the Cash App application on your mobile device and then go to the Investing tab. Tap on the investing icon. It looks like a line graph on the home screen. Now select your stock. Scroll through your portfolio and select the stock you want to sell. Now tap on the Sell button. Once you are on the stocks page, tap on the Sell button and choose the amount. Enter the number of shares you want to sell or the dollar amount you want to cash out. Further, confirm the sale. Review the details of your sale and confirm the transaction. You may be asked to verify your identity if it's your first transaction. Now, wait for the sale to process. After confirming, your sale will process. The cash will appear in your Cash App balance typically within a few business days. Lastly, withdraw the funds, which is optional. If you want to transfer the cash to your bank account, go to your Cash App balance and then tap on the Cash Out button. Now select the amount you wish to withdraw. Also note that make sure to consider any taxes or fees associated with selling your stocks, and keep in mind that stock market hours may affect when you can execute trades. And if you have any specific questions about the process or encounter issues, the Cash App support team can provide further assistance. So, this is how you can cash out stocks on Cash App. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.